everyone, welcome back. So, have you ever read in a magazine about a beauty tip or seen a beauty tip online and you've gone, that sounds really clever, but I wonder if it really works? And you know, I've read a lot of beauty magazines in my lifetime and I've had that thought often. And I was thinking about it and I thought, this would be great to kind of test these out with you all. So I decided to put that into action, and this video is going to be my first Makeup Mythbusters, where I take a beauty tip that I've seen or read and actually put it to work and see if I think it works. It'll be kind of a slightly less scientific version of the TV show where they, explore different urban myths or legends and kind of prove or disprove them. Makeup's very subjective, so this is just my unscientific version of Makeup Mythbusters. So I did record the guts of my first one a while back, and when I went to edit it, I realized I didn't have an intro, so that's why I'm going to look a little different in the next segment, because I just forgot to record an intro. So this is my first Makeup Mythbusters. So for today's Makeup Mythbuster, one of the things I've read was if you heat your eyelash curler with your hairdryer, you'll get a better curl on your eyelashes, which seems kind of simple, except for I don't keep this where I do my makeup. So that's just a personal, I'm not sure that would be something I'd do regularly, but for a special event where you want to get extra curl, I would bring this in here to my makeup room and try that. Going to go ahead and heat this up and curl. This eye has kind of a harder to curl. Truth be told, I sleep on this side the most, so I think these eyelashes are most often naturally curly, so I rarely curl that side. It's kind of goofy, huh? But that's the truth. And this side I have to curl quite a lot, and sometimes I even go in after the mascara is dried and apply and curl it again, which I know you're not supposed to do, but I have been known to do that when I think ooh, you look really unbalanced. Curl those lashes, girl. So I'm going to go ahead and heat up my eyelash curler and try it. Say how long to do it, but I don't want to burn myself, so I am feeling it on there. It's pretty warm. I have to say, that's pretty warm. Okay. I can already feel, they feel different. I can almost feel like they're touching my lid, or my lid's touching my lashes. So I may have overdone it with a curl a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm going to use this from Ulta. Ulta Amped Lashes. This is really a pretty nice mascara if you don't mind a rubber brush, which I don't really like a rubber brush, but it's a pretty nice mascara, and this is the waterproof version. So I don't know if you can see. It definitely works, but I think I over curled because can you see they're like in my lid. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I thought it was kind of fun to actually put that tip to work and test it out. I definitely think it works. Maybe a little too well. I think it's probably something that requires a little practice to get it just right, but if you are looking for an inexpensive way to get a little extra curl to your eyelashes, I absolutely think it works. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have some makeup tips, tricks that you have thought to yourself, gee, I wonder if that really works, that you think might make a good topic for a future Makeup Mythbusters video, please leave that in the comments down below. I would love to see which ones you're interested in me trying out in future videos. So if you're just stopping by for the first time to my channel and you like this video, I hope you'll subscribe so you can see future videos, and feel free to join me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I post other things on all of those sites as well. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.